How to fix Instagram search not working. So if you want to fix Instagram search not working, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to make sure that you have connected to your Wi-Fi or your data. Once you have your stable internet connection, then your problem might be fixed. It will work. But if it's not the internet connection, then you need to open up your Play Store. After that, go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching, if you have any updates, then you need to go and update the application. After updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then tap and hold on to your Instagram application and go with the app info. Under app info, you need to go with storage and cache and tap on clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and then restart your device. Press and hold on to that power button, restart, and after restarting, open up your Instagram and go with your search. Now it will work. That's how you can fix your Instagram search not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.